Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prioritizing spawn locations and timing. Head straight to the nearest active mythic POI while the rotation is fresh. Once done, keep one inventory slot open so you can pick up a mythic without dropping a crucial consumable. Make sure to move with teammates. One player grabs the item, one provides cover, and one creates an exit path. This reduces downtime and prevents enemies from stealing the weapon, which is why coordinated movement matters here. When you reach the spawn point, move deliberately and minimize noise so enemies don't collapse on you. Silent approaches keep the window to pick up the mythic. Once the area is cleared, prioritize the pickup. Grab the mythic and immediately switch to a prepared loadout. This prevents slow weapon swaps that get you killed. If you need to stash it for a teammate, place it in a safe spot or mark it. Communicating intent ensures the team benefits and maintains pressure on nearby opponents. You now use the mythic according to its role. Exploit burst damage at mid-range, mobility options to escape, or utility skills to zone enemies. Matching use to the weapon's strengths maximizes effectiveness. Once engagements conclude, rotate to new cover and avoid camping the same spot. Movement keeps you unpredictable. If something goes wrong, like the item drops or behaves oddly, attempt a quick reload of the weapon, move to a safe position, and if the issue persists, exit and rejoin. That often clears transient sync problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.